Hare Krishna. What if I were to ask you, what is that most important or most valuable treasure of your life? Or who's that person in your life whom you treasure the most? Since you are all devotees of Lord Krishna, you may think of Krishna. Or you may say that Srimati Radharani, because Srimati Radharani is the topmost devotee and it is a shortcut to reach Krishna. Some of us may say Balaram, because Balaram is our Adi Guru. If that same question is asked to me, my reply would be, Jadi Prabhupada na hoite, tobe ki hoito, ye jivana bahite kishe. Today is the Disappearance Day festival of Srila Prabhupada. And when I think more and think deeper about this, how my life would have been if Prabhupada was not there. We are talking about Vrindavan. We are talking about Shri Shri Radha Krishna. We are talking about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We are talking about Chaitanya Charitamrit. We are discussing so many significant places in and around Vrindavan. Who would have revealed all these places? Who would have given me the Gyan of Bhagavad Gita in such a simplified, practical, realistic, and yet completely bona fide manner? So, this day, my dear devotees, is a dedication to Srila Prabhupada. And this day, there are mixed feelings. One feeling of course, of separation, and only if I would have met Srila Prabhupada, and this day reminds me repeatedly that this is the day when Srila Prabhupada actually left. And second side, on the other side, this is the day which gives so much of joy because this is the day when the union happens. When Srila Prabhupada reached Golok Vrindavan and Krishna would be like, standing at the entrance with his arms spread wide and welcoming Srila Prabhupada back home, back to Godhead. We'll be so happy to have Srila Prabhupada there. So yes, sadness is there, and yes, joy is there, and celebration is there, and that deep sense of gratitude is there. So when we talk about Srila Prabhupada's final days, now Prabhupada's life was exemplary and Prabhupada's departure was extraordinary. He taught us not only how to live, but how to leave. Right till the last minute, he was actually giving dictations of this Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto purports. So those wonderful, fantastic purports where Prabhupada would hardly eat or drink, and yet whatever energy he had, he would employ in giving those beautiful Bhakti Vedanta purports. And towards the end, Prabhupada developed a deep desire. Prabhupada wanted to go on Govardhan Parikrama. And Prabhupada asked his disciple that arrange for a Govardhan Parikrama. I don't have any strength. I'll go on the bullock cart. So take me around Govardhan in a bullock cart. Now, the devotees, again, there were two groups of devotees. So one group, they staunchly believed that Srila Prabhupada, my Guru Maharaj, this is his probably last desire. And if I fulfill this desire, that is the perfection of my life. Prabhupada wants to go to Govardhan, do Govardhan Parikrama, I must take him. And then there was another set of devotees who knew that Prabhupada cannot survive that parikrama. They knew that Prabhupada's body was so frail and so weak, and the doctors have told that it is absolutely no. So they wanted to serve Prabhupada by not taking him to Govardhan Parikrama. And the other set of devotees wanted to serve Prabhupada by taking him around Govardhan. Now, who's right and who is wrong? So that is very difficult to say, because it is just like Yashoda Damodar. We see Yashoda Damodar here. So it is just like Yashoda saving the pot of milk and not feeding Krishna. Because that pot of milk which was about to overflow, that was also for Krishna. So though Yashoda was not serving Krishna, and yet she was serving Krishna. Though Krishna became so angry, yet Yashoda was serving Krishna. So similarly, the devotees who were not allowing to take Prabhupada to the parikrama, they were also serving Prabhupada, and those who wanted to take him, they were also serving Prabhupada. So this is my meditation, and I wanted to share this on this most auspicious day. And tomorrow we will progress and proceed on our Govardhan Parikrama. Hare Krishna.